One sunny day, Mina has a wonderful idea. She wants to make a surprise fruit salad for her family. First, she picks a red apple. She wants another one, but the branch is too high. Her big sister lifts her up so she can reach.
1 apple. 2 apples.
Next, she picks purple grapes.
1, 2, 3 grapes.
Then she finds oranges.
1 orange. 2 oranges.
Last, she picks red strawberries.
1, 2, 3 strawberries.
Mina brings the basket to her mom. Together, they make a fruit salad. Mina brings the fruit salad to her family.
Surprise!
Everyone is so happy.
Thank you, Mina.
Let's remember what we learned today. Red apples. Purple grapes. Oranges. Red strawberries. Goodbye. See you next time. Next time, let's explore my house.